guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do a quick little makeup tutorial. I think I'm gonna do some color actually, which is something I don't do. To be honest, I am just kind of gonna, do whatever and hope it turns out good. But I will see y'all at the end of the video. So pretty much I just like to start off by putting my hair up so it's out of the way. I always moisturize my lips prior to anything just to make sure they're not crusty. And then I also like to protect my skin from the sun. So I pretty much just lather all the sunscreen all over my face. And I just kind of like let it sit for a little bit too. And then I also like to hydrate and prime, like set my face prior to putting on the rest of my makeup. Then I also like to use concealer for my eyes. Because I will be priming them that way, and then I will set them with this powder when I use a cute little fluffy brush for that. But I just pretty much put that all over my eyes, make sure it's all set, and then I will use this palette that's like my favorite for colored eyeshadow, and I'll start off with that purple. So pretty much I will just blend the heck out of my eye, or I'll try to at least. But this palette is honestly awesome, and it blends really well and it shows up really well, so this is like one of the best ones I've ever used. And then you'll switch over to the other eye, and then you'll just keep blending that eye, and then at some point you're gonna get a clean fluffy brush, and you're just kind of gonna diffuse the outer part of your eyeshadow just to kind of make it look cleaner. Then I'm going to get my MAC paint pot, and I'm going to dip that in, and I'm going to kind of go like in the center of my eye. This is where I'm going to put the other color. It's going to be blue and very like electric looking. It's really cool. But I'm just going to do both eyes and just kind of like get the shape that you want to get. I kind of like pictured it to be, I guess, like a moon shape, but didn't really work out that way, so I just kept going and just kept blending. But I'm going to get a flat brush, and I'm going to get another color, which is that blue that I was talking about, and I'm just going to kind of blend it in there. And now I'm going to grab that purple again, and I'm just going to blend on the outside of it because I want it to kind of blend together. I don't want it to be like a harsh line because I just think that looks kind of gross to me. I don't know, but yeah, just keep blending and blending and blending. And this is kind of like what it looks like. And then I'm going to grab a wipey, and I'm going to clean off the rest of the fallout because this palette does kind of have a lot of fallout, but it is so worth it. Then I'm going to prime my face with that Professional because I always get really bad, like my laugh lines are pretty bad, and then I'll just set that too. And then I'm going to mix two foundations together. It's going to be that Fit Me and then the Born This Way, and I'll link everything below too. But pretty much I just dot everything on my face, and then I'll blend it out with a brush. And then I'll grab my little sponge, make sure it's damp. I like to kind of blend it out because I feel like my brush doesn't really blend it really well, so I like to use the blender too. And then I always conceal my face or like my under eyes and everything that I want to be brighter. And then I'll get my blender again, and I'll just blend everything out. Then I'll get my banana powder, and I'll set the under eyes and wherever I concealed. Then I'll get my bronzer, my Too Faced bronzer, the Chocolate Soleil. I like to use a little brush for that one so it's more precise. And I always blend like upwards on my cheeks because you don't want to go downwards or else it just looks like muddy and splotchy, I feel like. But I also like to go underneath too just to contour that. And then I will put some powder there. And then now I'm moving on to my eyebrows. And I'm really not good at my eyebrows, like whatsoever. But I also like them to look more natural. I don't like the really thick, like dark eyebrows, but it's really hard to do your eyebrows like on camera, not gonna lie. I have so much respect for other people who do that. Then I'm gonna wipe away all that powder. And then I like to use this like small little angled brush, and I like to add color to the under eye because if I don't, I feel like you just kind of look naked. And then I grab this like small fluffy brush and I blend it out, like diffuse it so it blends better together. I just don't like harsh lines like at all. A little coffee break. And I'm just adding a little bit of blush to give me some color. And my eyelashes are stick straight, so I have to curl them. And I like to use that mascara, but I always get waterproof mascara. I live in Texas, so the humidity is horrible, so I always have to use waterproof. But I literally use that brush just for the brush. There's no mascara in that mascara thing at all. I literally just use that to separate my eyelashes. And then I used an eyeshadow to just kind of like highlight my brow bone, and I used it for my lip and my nose as well. And I love this Laura Mercier highlight. It's like more natural. It's not going to give you like a super, super crazy glow, but I love it. And then I use my lip liner. I don't really remember what color that is, but I'll link it below. But it's really nice. I like it a lot. I use 2 different ones just to give that like ombre effect, I guess. And then my MAC lipstick, I love it, but it melted because I would bring it with me in the car, and Texas is hot. So it melted. But they're my favorite. And then I have this like e.l.f. Beauty Shield spray. It's supposed to like protect your skin throughout the day, but that's what it looks like. I didn't put on falsies because I suck. Hey, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. I honestly just kind of winged it. But it actually doesn't look that bad. I mean, it kind of looks like I have a bruised eye, but I like it. It looks not bad. And I didn't use eyelashes because I have long eyelashes and I like literally just cannot put them on. I've tried so many times and I just can't, they just don't work for me, I guess. My favorite, if I'm gonna try to put on falsies, would be like those little individual lashes. Those are my favorite. Those I can put on. Those are my just like go-to. And if you do put on falsies, my favorite one, my favorite lash glue is the Tarte. And this is like the clear one, so like it applies like not holographic, but like really shiny. I don't know what it's called, but it's so cool looking, and then it dries clear. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more from me, definitely leave some comments below. Give me some ideas and I'll try to post more. But thank you guys so much.